In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve common project management issues using Asana. If unclear tasks, missed deadlines, poor collaboration, or a lack of visibility are slowing your team down, Asana can help you turn that around. We'll walk through a simple workflow you can adopt right away, and I'll share a few tips so everything stays organized and easy to find. Start by creating a clear task, give it a specific, action-oriented name, assign it to one owner, and set a due date. That 1-2-3 combo makes responsibility obvious and gives everyone a timeline to work toward. If others need to be kept in the loop, add them as collaborators so they receive updates without creating confusion about ownership. Next, organize related work inside a project and break the project into sections such as to do, in progress, and completed. This creates a visual pipeline your team can follow. As work advances, drag tasks into the next section so anyone can open the project and instantly see where things stand. Open each task and put the details where they belong. Use the description for step-by-step instructions or context. Use comments for updates and decisions, and attach files directly to the task instead of sharing them across scattered messages. This keeps the conversation and the work artifacts together, so no one has to hunt for the latest version. To prevent missed deadlines, set due dates on every task and use custom fields or priority labels to mark high-priority items, blockers, and urgent work. When everything is labeled, it becomes easier to sort, filter, and focus on what truly matters today. Switch between views to improve visibility. List view is great for details, board view shows flow across stages, and timeline view helps you see how work fits together over time so you can spot potential delays early. Choose the view that best answers the question you're trying to solve in the moment. Save time by automating routine steps with rules. You can automatically assign tasks when they're added to a project, move them between sections when their status changes, or update due dates based on a trigger. Automation reduces manual clicks and minimizes human error. Use the inbox to stay aligned. It's your hub for task updates and comments, and it lets you respond quickly without leaving your workflow. Adjust notifications so you see what's important without getting overwhelmed. Finally, review progress regularly. Scan for blocked tasks, overloaded team members, and delayed milestones, then rebalance work or remove obstacles before they become bigger problems. You now know how to solve project management issues using Asana by improving clarity, collaboration, tracking, and automation. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.